Tagaytay after 2 hours. Oh my God. Tara. I'm so hungry na. We're in a place called Pamana. It's just across Ayala Mall here in Tagaytay. Ayala Mall, Serin. So I'm hungry. We'll eat. This is the place. But it's a little dark because it's evening already. Ay, may chocolateria sila, mahal, oh. We'll buy chocolate also. Come. Ouch! Lord have mercy. Madulas, mahal, ah. Kapit. It rained while we were traveling. And it also rained here. So the floor is wet. They have al fresco, but it's raining outside. So, what is this place? Are they selling this stuff? These things are for sale? Ah, okay. Akala ko it's part of your decor. Dalawa lang. Dinner for two. Sandali. Asan ang... May basurahan ka ba, darling? Para itapon ko lang ito. Thank you. Halika. Baka may biyak.
Pwede ka sa kare-kare.
Ngayon ko lang nakita na ang isang wine glass or a goblet is served na nakabaliktad. Should be upright. Turn it upright. Sige. Sinigang gusto mo? Sinigang?
Sinigang sa ipon.
Oo, sige. Ako naman humba. Tapos rice natin. Yung plain lang, mahal?
Plain lang natin.
Marami, maliit. Konti lang? Yung pot na lang, isang pot.
Iced tea picture.
Yung ano niya, sinigang niya, is it good for 1 or 2?
2 to 3.
Oh, that's good. Okay. And the humba is?
Same.
Okay. The rice, that pot is?
2 to 3 also.
Okay, good. Very good.
Thank you po. Pwede kami ni
As-
CJ, ma'am.
CJ, bilisan mo CJ. So hungry. Kakain na po kami. Order ni Edwin. Order. Hello. Good evening. I'm Engineer Liza Tabi Pascual. Do you need identification or anything else? Please. Andito kami. Via Apay.
Apia po. Via Apia.
Via Apia. Apia.
Yes po.
Apia, Tagaytay. How long have you been operating?
3 years.
3 years pa lang to?
Yes po.
Really? Sa bagay, we haven't been here for how many years now? 5, 6 years? Mga 6, 7 years siguro din. Sige, thank you. Bye-bye. Good night.
Good night.
Tomorrow for business, kailangan na natin ng cash na. Ubus na lahat ng cash natin.
Shutdown, mahal.
Shutdown. Huwag kang mag-alala, ako driver bukas. Makapagpahinga ka. Basta sa mga ganitong lugar, ako lang mag-drive. Pero sa Manila, na hindi ko kabisado, insecure ako doon. Tapos ganun pa yung mga driver sa Manila.
Kabisado ko sa Manila, pero guguluhin ako ng Waze.
Mahal.
Pero lang masyado sa pamahal.
Sa?
Nangyari Pasay dyan. Pero pag
Noon, may confidence pa ako ng konti when it comes to Manila, Quezon City. Pero nung after all these years, ang daming nagbago. Na yung mga landmarks sa utak ko, some of them are not there anymore. So,
ako mahal mula sa Quiapo hanggang Cubao.
uh,
Veterano ako dyan.
ngayon, noon, hindi ko na alam.
Parang
Company.
China rin?
China Granddad.
Electric.
Electric pala.
Electric sa hybrid.
Oh. We're having breakfast in a place called Bago Beans here in Tagaytay City. Ow! Okay. Yan, Bago Beans. May Philippine flag pa. Parang napaka-saucy naman ang dating nito. Parang ang lakas maka-Instagrammable. Ayan. Hello, good morning. Awak mahal ko. Ah, where do we go for breakfast? Lizette. Lizette.
You know their contact number. Mom, just for guest references, okay po.
0. No. We're trying Bago Beans for the first time.
Sir, from mo, please do like
Ah, halika naman. Awak mahal ko. Ah, mamaya mahal mag-picture-picture tayo dito. Minsan lang tayo napupunta dito, kaya dapat mag-picture. Hello, Miss Ria. You don't mind I will just vlog for memories? Ah,
Last preferred ko ba na ng couch?
mas gusto ko yung mga ganan. And mas gusto mo sa couch, maupo sa chair. Tabi na lang tayo. Ooh, it's so pretty inside.
And for restroom, mom, red doors po.
Ah, sige. Upo na kaya, Mal.
Sir po.
Upo ka na dyan. Ako na sa kabila. Mag-order muna tayo bago ako mag-exploratory. At ako'y naku-curious ng todo-todo. Look at this place. It's amazing. It's the first time I seen something that looks like this. Look at that. Yeah, this is where we're having breakfast. It's called Bago Beans. As far as Instagrammable place is concerned, this is super Instagrammable. So, yung mahilig mag-Instagram dyan, you have to check out this place in Tagaytay. So, let's video first. Then they have also this type of nook, very homey. May fake na fireplace. Then you have a lovely couch, tables and chairs, lots of photo frames and decors. Tapos ito naman parang napaka-dining area ang dating. So many Instagram worthy places. Tapos mirror on the wall, ang dami. Tapos ang daming yung vertebra ko. A wall full of decors. And they have fountain area here also. O, diba? May shell pa. And then, I think this is the main entrance. We came from the side entrance kasi galing kami sa may parking lot. And then, look at this place. Look at that. Nice. See? Three sides of the room are all shelves with books and stuff. And then here's, I think, their usual dining area. Ang grupo-grupo na na tables. Ooh, look at those decors. It's really nice. Whoever did the interiors of these kudos, it's very nice. And then, ito parang Cappadocia, Turkey level ang dating. Look at the ceiling, Umbrellas in the ceiling. Oh, and then they even have something that looked like this, very elegant, very old world charm ang dating. Look at that. See? Nice, na? I'm loving this place. When I'm coming back to Tagaytay, I'm definitely coming back in this place. And then they have like a bakery. May mga sourdough siguro din sila yan. Ooh, I love this. And buy some. I'll definitely buy some bread from here. And then they have coffee. My sister wants me to buy her coffee. But I think they only have Barako, Arabica, pure Barako. They have vanilla, hazelnut, mountain, what's that? Mountain Crown, pure Arabica. And then Excelsa Barako, Arabica Robusta. Hey, they have Ahmad tea here. Oh, see? Definitely gonna buy a lot of stuff from here. Especially this one. Definitely I'm gonna take home this one and the ube for the mama. See? I'm loving this place. And then meron pang swing. I can remember Edwin and I sat on a swing like this in a resort in Ethiopia. So now, I'm done with the vlog. It's gonna be picture. Ito yung kanilang buffet area. They have a buffet area, but it's closed. They gave you the coffee already? I'm having hot chocolate. Smells so good. And then my mahal is having Barako, coffee Barako. And then he's having pumpkin soup.
Blueberry pancake.
Hi, hubby. Look at my plate! Look at my plate! Look at that! I have a big plate! Kakain na po kami! And we're in Tagaytay Picnic Grove. And at my back are horses. Here you can pay some amount of money and you can ride the horse. I don't know for how long you have to ride the horse. In my entire life, I was only able to ride a horse one time. And the next time, I just rode on top, but it did not move. Ay!
Sige, wait ka na dito, mahal. Dito ka muna dyan.
Sige. Ayan, andito kami sa Tagaytay Picnic Grove. See? Yeah. This overlooks the famous Taal volcano. The volcano within an island, within a volcano within an island. Parang 5 layers. I think there's 5 layers. Volcano, lake, and then island. Or island, lake, island. Oh. Ganun siya. Ayan. If you can see it from the distance. It's there. It's called Picnic Grove because you see those cottages. That's where people have their picnic. All those cottages that you see. There are some more on the other side. This is the other side. So some more cottages below here, and there's some more in that side, but it's not visible from here. So you go down those stairs up to down there, where you have better view of the volcano over there. That's the volcano. So there are cottages everywhere for people to have a picnic. So the entrance fee for people, adults, is 75 pesos for each head. And then if you are PWD ID, it's 60 pesos per head. And then if you brought your car with you, it's 100. No, 50. It's only 50 per vehicle. So in here we also have some kiosk and They
Kaya
sell.
inakyat siguro yan ng mga mountaineers.
Siguro.
Abot ko yung ulap oh.
Oo. Yeah, so.
Tapos sumuntok din.
Hello, say hello.
Hello,
my-
hello.
Mahal ka.
Salam nung
Salam na. Bumalik ka yata ng ito. We've
Hi,
seen Taal.
welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog daw. Oo. Tapos na kami, nakita na namin si Taal. Quits na kami, quits na. Tapos na, nakapag hi hello na kami kay Taal. So, pwede nang umuwi.
May benta. Yung mayroon yung matama.
Tapos, pauwi, ay hindi pa kami pauwi. Magro-road trip kami. Pupunta kami dun sa edge ng lake. Punta kami dun sa kung saan yung tubig. 11 kilometers daw from here yon. So we will walk that way. We will walk that way. We will drive that way pala. Dito na para mas shortcut. Ito yung there's a lot of souvenir shops. Souvenir shops here in Tagaytay Picnic Grove. So from there to there are souvenir shops. Hi. Where I am, we wanted to go nearer the water of Taal. See that? We're so near. We parked that way. The car's there, if you can see it. So there, we want to go there. I want to go near the water's edge. So we're on our way there. Ito, this is the best we can go nearest the water edge. Unfortunately, it is fenced off. And there's the volcano. There. It's unfortunately fenced it off. Perhaps people were trying to jump over this edge. That's why they fenced it off. See? They fenced it off. There's nowhere to pass. There's nowhere to pass. We're in the middle of the road. I know, not the middle. The side of the road. I mean. See? There used to be they used to allow it here. But now, they locked it. There's a gate and it's locked. See, this is what happened.